showed emotion.
Oh yeah, like.
Why didn't he want you to show them?
Oh, good punches from.
Lovely hook to the body by Tapora. One by Komanesi. There's that left hand I'm talking about.
Suppose you don't get 15 knockouts from 20 fights.
Komanesi.
Oh, down goes Komanesi. Oh, I don't think he's going to get up from this. He was hit to the right hand with the southpaw stance. He's not going to make it.
Emotion was, did he equate it with weakness?
Matapos pabilibin ng tinaguriang El Capitan na si Jack Tipura ang Amerika, matapos netong mapalaban sa Amerikanong si Jose Gallegos, kahit mismo ang sikat at superstar na si Shawn Porter na naging isa sa mga hurado ay tila napapisbang pa sa kababayan natin. Walang rounds na pinatalo ang ating kababayan, hindi makapatama ang kalaban sa palos nitong si Jack Tipura.
Let me see if I can get this there real quick. Middle of the round.
Trying to exhibit some more off-the-lot stance to Eric De Leon.
It gives Tapora the chest out matchup. Come on, fight. Leo said it.
We'll clear.
Tapora willing to exchange at close distance. A big straight.
See the guys coming from whether Mexico, Philippines, they fight down like Sean. Come out sometimes.
Looking over at me, smiling. He's sitting right here with that one.
Animoy pinaglalaroan lang ang kalaban sa mga ginagawang atake nito. Lumipas ang mga ilang rounds, kita na ang lamang ni Jack Tipura sa pagmumuka ng Amerikano.
Filipino power that we are seeing.
But I gotta say, I like that right there. Gallegos
Goes still in front of him. He has had moment. Gallegos in trouble.
You got hurt with that one. You never know if they're really good shit. And a great heart determination.
You know, to Jack Tapora. He ran around its destination for Tapora. And Tapora.
Tempura is starting to apply to the fight. He's using jabs, bars. He's trying to observe and find the right shots. That being in America, fire right back. I agree. You got to stay there.
Well, that's a big swing.
He's got to stay there. Shots, keep your hands up, bobbing and weaving, and get that the other hand and step to
Jose Gallegos as we have 30 seconds left here in the fifth. And then
to the body.
Gallegos with that straight left hand. Tapora.
You got it.
Gallegos just doesn't have it.
Cage of Gallegos.
That's
As we have 30 seconds.
Instead of getting out first.
Tapora is being very calculated and demonstrating very good defense thanks to Justin, our researcher.
Halos palalim ng palalim ang mga rounds ay pahirap naman ang pahirap ito sa kalaban.
It almost seems like Tapora is seeing things in
Inches.
Inches an angle, and he's determined. Oh!
There's a big right.
No, shot set.
Tapora and Jose Gallegos continue with the
Poise and comfortable.
has been and a big right that connected by Gallegos.
The fire to be hit.
Hey, Ray, Tapora.
But Tapora again, very big left hand followed by a right hook. Tapora literally took the left hands.
And here's the thing, at this point,
Darted and looked right in his eyes.
it's about to start to happen.
6-fight knockout streaks. The Shiba Gallegos is trying to.
I'm not saying Leo said he 81.
Thank you very much, Marcos and Jeff.
Quite interesting.
There's a nice right uppercut.
And quick hands and
Fight knockout streak is mixing it up at the end of this matchup against Jose Gallegos.
Matapos nga ang laban ay panalo ang ating kababayan via unanimous decision at lahat ng rounds ay binigay ng mga hurado sa Pinoy na si Jack Tipura. Dahil sa pangbihirang galaw at kakaibang lakas ng kamao ng El Capitan ng Cebu City, mas lalong naging matunog ang pangalan nito, lalo na sa mismong bansa na kakapanalo lang niya. Ito ay ang Amerika. Buwan ng Setyembre, petsa 22, isang Amerikano na naman ang gustong hamunin ng Pinoy sa isang mainit na suntukan. Ito ay isa sa mga apo ni Mike Tyson na si Lusanda Kumanisi. Sa mura niyang edad ay inalagaan ng undefeated record na 27 wins at 22 knockout. Sa kanilang laban nga ay ipapamalas nito ang sikat na peekaboo style na animoy si Mike Tyson daw ang aakalain mong lumalaban.
A reputation of a big puncher with a 75% knockout ratio.
Oh, good punches from Tapora to start the kick off their venture.
Watch your feet, guys.
We'll soon know how good he is, 20-0. But maybe he hasn't fought an opponent as good as Lusano Comaneci.
Sa pagsisimula nga ng unang round, malalakas na suntok na ang binabato nitong si Lusanda.
Best kept secret. He comes from Cebu City.
And from the Philippines. Oh, good punches from...
Lovely hook to the body by Chapora.
Oh, right leg kick from Comaneci. You got two punches of no chance. This can only be a war. Coming out of that junior bantamweight title fight, this is excellent. Support from the Philippines against our own Lusano Comaneci. And we round one, and it's action-packed. For round two, if you just joined us, vacant WBO Intercontinental Featherweight title fight. Lusano Comaneci from South Africa against Jack Porter from the Philippines.
Comaneci is fighting him the way you fight a southpaw. But also, Chapora is doing ever so well. He remains dangerous. He's got that big looping left hand that there is right there, which Comaneci needs to be wary of. Stylish boxing shots there by one by Comaneci. There's that left hand I'm talking about from Chapora.
Oh, big left hand from Chapora again.
Sa lakas nga ng suntok nitong kalaban ay nababaliwala lang ang mga ito dahil sa perpektong timing na galaw ni Jack Tepura.
Comaneci wants to test. He wants to test him. If he can handle his own firepower. They both throwing bombs, Brian.
Yeah, jeez.
Watch your age.
Bombs here in this featherweight con. These are big punching featherweights. Oh. Lands a big punch to the body. Oh, down goes Comaneci. They chose a tough opponent, and I don't think he's going to get up from this. He was hit with the right hand from the southpaw stance. He's not going to make it. It's all over. And Jack Tepura has knocked out Lusano Comaneci in the first round of the second round at least. And he stays undefeated. Jack Tepura never paid off.
What a finish. What a punch. Knocked him out. He bravely tried to get out Comaneci, but he was in no condition to continue.
Masyadong naging komportable itong kalaban at mas inisip na mas malakas ang kanyang suntok kesa sa ating pambato.
The winner, Jack Tepura.
Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.